Today on J-Ray's Kitchen, we went to Sam's Club. That's gonna go in a Ford Focus. And we got 6 cases of water for 3 different households. Next we got a case of small bottles of Coke for Briana to take to work. Next I got a big case of body armor for my son. He loves these. Then a big pack of juices for my kids. You know, something a little bit healthier. And Briana had a fundraiser to support our deputies at my work. We got some snacks, little breakfast items for our group. We also got a big bottle of Dawn dish detergent because we use this like crazy. Who knew people wash dishes so much? And my garden bed needed more soil. Found a good deal on it here at Sam's Club. That's right, 2 bags. Yep, that's the back of the Ford Focus. Wow. And we've still got more to go. And the current temperature in Asheville, North Carolina, it's like 190 degrees. I need a drink.
So what are we doing now?
So we're not done at Sam's yet. Now we're getting the gas because it's the cheapest around. Just remember, you're going to need a membership to make it a little cheaper. Nothing's really cheaper than $4. $4.32. That's painful, and that's the cheapest around. Thank the Lord, her tank is small though. They're so embarrassed by the prices they turn their sign off. If we pass a way station, do you think we're going to have to stop? Sweet air conditioning. Oh, there's a road. Why aren't these people at work? It's Wednesday. It's not the weekend. The holiday was on Monday. What's that scraping noise? Is that our back bumper? Taxpayer dollars hard at work. Look, they take selfies next to the dumpster. Okay, so we had to relocate to somewhere a little bit cooler. The parking lot was killing us. So, where we left off, I mentioned we got some muffins for my guys at work. Got some honey buns, moon pies, and some donuts, because I guess cops love donuts, right? Got some vitamins for my kids. And found this awesome book called The Barbecue Bible. Keep an eye out for some recipes that I'll do later with this book. And I found a couple other neat books like the Peanuts Collection, The Story of Country, never seen nothing like that. And every now and then I'll see a good deal on clothes there. Gotta grab it when I can. And we've got these big 2-liter Cokes to go at Briana's kitchen. The other kitchen I use when I'm not using J-Ray's kitchen. You can put these in a glass. Or if you're a hog, drink them all at once. And little freebies by the front door. Can't forget those. Scan your card, get something free. Love it. And last but not least, we got this Wow splash pad. It's 10 by 10, hooks up to your water hose, has a little pool in the middle, gives your kids plenty of wet fun to enjoy in the summertime. I might let my kids borrow it from me. Look for a link in the description below for the splash pad. If you don't have a Sam's Club in your area, you can get it on Amazon. See you next time on J-Ray's Kitchen.